Okay, today I have a great new gadget I am going to review. It is a 32 gig iUSB drive. Last week I did a review on a similar device. However, this is made for the use of an Android and also an iPhone. Different little format, but basically the same look. As you can see, nice little packaging. We open it up. It's by a company called EATOP. So, as you can see, we have a nice little swivel. So, the first part of the device, you connect into the iPhone. Also, you can also lift up and as you can see, the first part that swivels around is the iPhone connected to where you connect your videos. You can save your videos, save your pictures if you don't want to use the iCloud. As you swivel around, you see the USB plug that you stick into your computer, and you can download your files to your computer and move them back and forth to your phone or your Android. If you flip the lever up, you see the mini USB plug. Like I said, you can swap files between Android and iPhone. A nice, really neat tool you can have. I like all of the tools that I showed you. I'm gonna have many more, but this is one of my favorites. I've been trying to save my files directly to a drive instead of saving it to iCloud, so I can have them at any time. Thanks for my review, and I hope to see you soon.